gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in positive MACD. We're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a converge once again. As we extend that to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $167.42. My sell target is at $173.76. My stop loss is at $165.74. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $176.64. My sell target is at $169.15. And my stop loss is at $178.42. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold features has a 38% chance to climb between 0 to 3%. To the downside has a 63% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.